Welcome to the channel. Here, we master tricky words and their meanings. Today, we're tackling a big one, erythrocytosis. Many people struggle with this word because of its length and complexity, but by the end of this video, you'll be able to pronounce it with confidence. Let's start by breaking it down into smaller, manageable parts. The word is pronounced as erythrocytosis. First, we have erythro, where rith has a soft sound and ro is clear. Next, cyto, which sounds like cyto. Finally, we end with cis, just like in sister. Now let's put it all together slowly. Erythrocytosis. Try repeating after me. Erythrocytosis. Now a little faster. Erythrocytosis. And at full speed. Erythrocytosis. Keep practicing and soon it will roll off your tongue naturally. Now that you've nailed the pronunciation, let's briefly go over the meaning. Erythrocytosis refers to an increase in red blood cells in the bloodstream. The root erythro means red and cytosis refers to cells, so the word is commonly used in medical contexts when discussing blood disorders. And that's it. Now you know how to pronounce erythrocytosis and what it means. If you found this helpful, give the video a like and share it with others who might need it. Drop a comment below with any tricky words you'd like me to cover next, and don't forget to subscribe for more pronunciation guides. See you in the next video.